Hear the hen?
Yeah.
What? Look at, there's another one back there.
There is?
Yeah, look at him.
I heard him.
He's in the back.
Listen to those hens.
Listen, you slut. Look at him back there. See him right behind us?
Hold on. Try to get, I want to get a video of this other one.
Oh yeah, you're fucked. You're dead. You're all dead. Wow. He's running over here now. This bird to my left is big.
Listen to the hookers talk.
That's so cool. Holy shit, did that beard, the turkey back here's beard's on the ground.
So what are there, 4?
No, 3.
Well, there's 3 there, strutting.
Yeah.
And there's still 1 back there.
No, there's 2 here strutting.
No, there's that one over on the far left and 2 in that group strutting. So 1 just strutted out.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's running.
Yeah, see the one on
Remember the Limpy? Remember Limpy? That's him.
Is it?
Look at